SRL folder, you see. In C, you will get more SRL, okay. And then inside, you have this more process point, all the installations, all the file already installed. Okay. This is the file with the profile, where the profiles are resident, where also the heat reports are written. Then, license.leak is the file with the license. Of course, you don't have it or it's not working. Program log is the log of the system online when it's running. And then config ini is the configuration that
this must be in C, right?
This must be saved normally
in C.
In C, all in C. You see, C. More processor, all inside. Okay.
This is in C.
Yeah.
You install it.
Yeah, it installs itself in Steam. Yeah, no problem. Okay. Then you will get this icon, more processor point. Okay. So you click it, you open it. You will get this screen. This is the general screen. It shows you the version 2007. This is registered copied for me. That one, of course, in the first login. Login is MORE, MORE, 973511. It's the same for WinCC, same login. Okay. So now, okay, engineering Unix is metric, of course. License key, this is valid for this computer. Program log is the one we have seen before, is the log file. Okay. If you want to clean it out when you exit, okay. And then exit, of course you exit. Then PLC, normally automatic connection, so anytime you stop it for some reason, you exit, you modify something, you restart it, it connects itself automatically to the PLC. Or you can connect it manually or disconnect it manually. Configuration, this is the PLC, these numbers are not right, not correct. Over there we can see the numbers, the right numbers over there. And then display raw data shows the instantaneous informations from EAF. Okay. So now it number, packet number, energy, okay, percentage is not valid, but this is just information. What is important is, could be power on time, okay, PLC was not running. This is bucket number and heat and the bucket weight and total weight. Okay, this is just an information anyway. Here you'll see the conditions of the furnace in this moment, and then these are the activities of the system if there is communication, correct communication with the PLC. Machine status, power on, EBT open, in progress, all the data that I received from you. Okay, so nothing, this is just information. Then process. Okay, this is the point. Automatic is the one that has to be used normally, of course, to have connection with the PLC and with the SMI to send the data step by step according to the energy, to the bucket number and so on. Manual, if you want to switch on manual mode. Okay, this is automatic, I switch in automatic, of course there is no connection, so it does not switch. Override values, honestly, I don't know what is it. I think there is the possibility to force something, but I never use it because what I receive from you is correct, so I don't care. Enable on-fly change. Instead of stopping, modifying and restarting, it is possible to have this option enable, and this helps you to modify the parameter, but are not saved. So you can do it for this bucket.
Just for one heat.
Next heat, this bucket will be loaded as before. Okay. Then database. This is the point. Profile builder. So you need to switch on manual. So the system will not send data to PLC.
The system must be in stop, not in working.
No need to be in stop. Need just to be switched in manual. But if you switch in manual,
you have to do everything.
You have to work with HMI data set. So we have to enable manual steps from HMI. Okay. Okay, heat report tells you
Okay.
day by day the
Yes.
reports and
Yes.
the consumption, what else. And database management, create tables, I don't know what is it. So the last is profile builder, we'll see now. Help. This is the help
Okay.
online. Well, online included in the software. So you can scroll down. Okay, you see how it
Oh,
works.
it's-
No, it's very easy. Licensing, okay, in this case. Engineering tools, okay, setting the PLC communication, display raw data, database management, heat report, okay, logic. This is, you remember, we've seen this part,
Yes.
the logic and how to
process.
say of the bits coming from EAF, and the last is how to create a process driver, a new profile. So the last is messages. What is messages? Okay, and the top bar messages show you and tell you what is the running situation, the actual situation. Okay. Then what is important is this profile builder. Okay. So profile builder opens this window. Here you need to select which profile to modify. For example, I want to modify these 5 buckets, and also, so this is the driver. Driver means that one that controls the steps. In this case, each step is kilowatt-hour per tons. Okay. If I want to modify, but it's not your case, for some reason, if I want to modify, you see modify and save, and then clicking here, I have these 3 options: seconds, kilowatt hours is yours, or kilowatt hours. Then when finished, just save. Okay, you save the condition. So what is important is to have here the right profile that you want to modify. So 5 buckets, 5 buckets. Okay. So the first will be the driver. The second will be the set points. Okay.
If you want to add new,
This is just to modify. Then you can scroll the 5 buckets in this case. You see 5
Yes.
buckets and easy. You modify. You change something here. You save.
yes.
You modify. You change something here. You save. Remember, bucket by bucket if you need to do. What is important is to be sure that you are working with the right profile. To create a new one, easy. Add new, first driver. Add new. We call it more. Okay. How many buckets? 4. Create.
Easy.
Easy. You see, it shows you already
Yes.
the base. Then you decide what you want to do. Kilowatt hours per ton. Okay. And wait. Modify, okay. Kilowatt hour per ton. It asks you, you want to have all steps the same? Yes, of course. It's done. So I can save it, or I can go ahead putting my steps. So 12. Remember always to confirm.
Yes.
24 and so on. 36, 48 and so on. Okay. When finished, save. Then I create a new one, also here. I call it with the same name, more. 4 buckets. Create. Okay. So I will have 2, 3, 4 buckets ready. You see.
Yes.
So the first has already the driver. I go in the second. I select which driver to use. Will be the same, of course. Yes. Save. Then same for number 3, for number 4. I want to modify the numbers now, the set point. So modify fuel, first bucket, first step of the first bucket, 100. Oxygen, 300. And so up to the end. Save, exit. Then I have to load the profile to send to PLC. So process driver, which one? More. Process set points, which one? More. Easy, you see. Then nothing else,
Yeah.
but just switch on automatic mode.
Oh.
Automatic, then next bucket, next step, what else? The power will start here. It's very easy, no? The only point here is that you cannot copy a profile. This is the old version, but with a room we decided not to install the new one. So at the moment you will keep this one. This one is perfectly functioning, no bugs, no troubles. The new one has been tested in office only, so this is why also we do not want, I don't want to install it because maybe
Maybe in the future.
in the future, maybe in the future, yes. So we will see in future. Then of course this one you close it here and you show it. If you need to exit out, okay, exit with login of course. In this machine it does not exit. I have to kill it in this way, but it's a machine, virtual machine problem. So I have to end it like this.